Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to fix error movie recording stopped while recording 4K video. In this camera, let me select movie recording mode using this mode dial. You can see I have selected movie recording mode. Then I have to choose mode. Press OK button on the camera. Then here we can see modes like auto exposure, manual exposure. There are many. Let me select the first option, auto exposure. Okay, then I am going to select 4K. Go to menu, then under first tab select first option, then go to movie record size. Here I have to select 4K standard IPB. Select it. Then I am going to record one 4K video. Here we can see movie recording button. Press this button. You can see recording has started. Here we can see REC red label, that means recording has started. So there is a red border, that means recording is going on. So please wait. After some time we will get that error. See, movie recording stopped. So this is an error. So I will show you how to fix this error. After some time it will show the details. You can see movie recording has been stopped automatically because slow card write speed. So that is the issue. I am using slow card. The write speed of that card is very slow. That is the issue. We have to use ultra high speed memory card like this. We can see this is ultra high speed memory card. Here in this U symbol we can see 1. That means this is class 1 ultra high speed memory card. We will get up to class 3. Class 3 has high write speed. So we had to use a memory card like this to fix that issue. So this is a picture of ultra high speed memory card class 3. You can see 3 under this U symbol. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.